Miranda's stand at IBC 2010, and I'm about to speak to Tim Walker, their product manager for routers, about some developments in hybrid routers. Welcome, Tim. First question, one of the main products you're featuring here at IBC this year is the NV8500 hybrid router. Maybe you could tell us a little bit more about it.
Yes, the hybrid router is something that we are highlighting here at IBC 2010. The hybrid router actually integrates video and audio routing into a single routing chassis. So what I mean by that is we're not only doing video and audio routing, but we're also integrating the disembedders and embedders into the same router frame that we're doing the rest of the routing in.
I'd like to move on to hybrid capability. Maybe you could expand a little bit on the advantages of hybrid routers and who benefits from that technology.
So there's several benefits from going with a hybrid router. As I mentioned, we're integrating the video router and the audio disembedders and embedders, so we're consolidating all of that what once used to be external equipment into a single frame. So the benefits of that are come in the form of cost, obviously cable management, reduced cabling, power savings. That reduced cabling is also equals reduced weight in a truck, for instance. And being that we have all of this internal to a single frame, we're also closely managing the audio delay, and what that is also lip sync. So you can wrap the signal through the router multiple times without incurring so much delay that the audio becomes unmanageable and you get into lip sync conditions. So we're keeping close management of that audio delay.
And who typically buys your routers? What is the client profile?
Right now, everybody seems to be interested in it. We've got installations in OB vans. We have installations in live production rooms. Not so much in post-production, but people are starting to find ways to use the product there as well.
And what specific problems would you say does the router help your customers solve?
The problems are, as I mentioned before, kind of cable management, troubleshooting, power reduction. This might be considered a green router in that sense. You know, it's economically and ecologically friendly because of the power reduction that you're benefiting from by consolidating all that equipment into a single frame.
Maybe finally, Tim, you could touch a little bit on the core benefits of the Envision 8500.
Yeah, some of the features that are being pulled through with the Envision hybrid router that came from the 8500 series to begin with are the full cross-point redundancy. So all of the video and audio paths going through the router are going to be protected by our N-on-1 patented cross-point redundancy. We still have our control card redundancy, power supply redundancy, and also all of this is going to be controlled via our NV9000 router control system, which has its own level of redundancy built into it as well. A lot of people are asking, how do you control this large audio matrix? And the answer is the same way that you used to control a separate video and audio router. The button presses are familiar and there aren't going to be any differences. There's just it's the same device level control that you had before.
Thank you very much for your time. Tim Walker, Product Manager Routers from Miranda. Many thanks.
You're welcome. Thank you.